For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
A new hoax message is scamming users on Instagram. The direct message pretends to come from Instagram's customer help center and threatens to close the users' accounts if they don't hand over the information. Cybersecurity firms have asked users to ignore and delete the message. Cybercriminals are sending the messages to users telling them that they have infringed copyright laws in one of their posts. The message looks genuine and many people are falling prey to it. The message is signed off with the real address of Instagram's California headquarters. The message also threatens the users that if they don't reply, their account will be deleted within 24 hours. Hello dear Instagram user, a copyright violation has been detected in a post on your account. If you think copyright infringement is wrong, you should provide feedback. Otherwise, your account will be closed within 24 hours. You can give feedback from the link below. The message then redirects the user to a link and asks for personal information. The tone of the message and the fact that it looks genuine has made some people fall prey to the scam. A customer choice firm has warned the users to not fall prey. The link tries to trick you into handing over your Instagram account login details and personal details. The handle through which the message was sent was the biggest giveaway. The mode through which the message is sent is the second giveaway, as Instagram always contacts its users through email and does not send a private message. There have been no reports of Instagram accounts being hacked so far. However, the fake message looks like a phishing scam. Phishing is a type of scam where users are contacted by emails, telephone, or text messages by someone posing as a legitimate institution. The scammers will try to lure the user into providing sensitive data such as banking, credit card details, and passwords. The scammer will then use the information to access important accounts, which could result in identity theft and financial loss. It is important to verify an email before clicking on any links. Copyright infringement has become the latest in the series of scams on Instagram. Instagram is investigating the account behind the hoax message in order to tackle the issue.